All right, fourth one on this battery. Should be able to get it. I listened to it back. The sound was fine, but I do got to get the other mic in here one of these days, or a second one in. But it's breaking on the end. I could be able to get some tape on there or something. Who knows? But yeah, the old big dog here. That bad boy. These big tires. Good. That thing, huh? Big ass truck. So we'll go over here on the left, midway. We'll look at some stuff. There's a lot of cars over here. You can tell that guy right there. There's so many cars. I mean, there you go. It's nice. Nice. That bad boy. Ooh, I gotta get some hot dog. I'm gonna eat a little bit here. But you're just gonna walk along here.
Same body as that, but not 4-door.
I mean, just so many. A lot of trucks. You get a lot of vehicles over there. You can tell.
I know. I can't really like Galaxies because they're Betty's nemesis.
They're nice. Galaxies, they're cool.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that window. How that back door window comes like this.
I like the Galaxies. They're the knockoff the Impalas, but these are nice. These are cool. Back to 50s, baby. 2023. 24th day. This is out in November, you guys. The begging season is right around the corner. Call John, I guess, for sale. It's a gangster car right there. Is that an Etzel? Oh, I can't tell. Go look. Might be. I don't know. I don't know. You guys be able to tell. I don't know. Yep, Etzel. There's one guy I saw out west. A whole bunch of them. I think they're cool cars. I love how a lot of these are original. Hey guys.
Take a picture of the back of your shirt.
Oh, you want to take a picture of it?
Yeah.
It's my podcast. Bitch Boy Radio. New World Order.
Hell yeah.
And this, you get this for your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Because if all this shirt's for all the women that do the OnlyFans and simp on. Because your body's monetized at work, a real job, right? But your body's monetized for work. I mean, it could be a negative, but caution your body. You should be monetized for work. But Bitch Boy Radio is what I do. You can find it, Google it.
I'll Google
Okay.
it.
And I also have Fear Mongering Radio and the Cowboy Podcast. I have a YouTube channel, as you can see right here.
I'll look it up later.
Look, I do it a voice. I become the New World Order with a deep voice. Bitch Boy Radio. Bitch, please. I mean, bitch, please.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thanks for the view and the listen later on, you guys. Happy trails.
We will.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Some see.
So this is great money. This is great money to walk and look at cars. All right. Thanks, guys. Look at my shirt. Bitch Boy Radio. That's why I'm wearing the backpack on over my shoulders. I can advertise in the back. The Wagon Classic. 1959. Nice. 12 grand, huh? It's a cool car. Be a fun car to work with. Paint like a yellow. Called the Sub, the yellow Sub. Cool. But you can tell. But this is where they. If I had the money, this is where I would have Vikings get together, and we'd have a good time. This is what I would do. So, and bus would be over. So. This is what they used to have it with a TCF. So, what's his name's in town tonight? Taylor Swift for her second show. $6 grand. I probably got a hot tub for this. Actually, get 4 videos out of this thing. I'm pretty good. It's not too hot. The sun's not out. Here's a low rider. This one's over here. This one over here. Let's walk over here real quick. There's a lot of cars here. Not like as they always used to have, but walk over here. This one's kind of a cool car. I like this one sitting up by herself. Nice. Nice. You got baby moons on there. Nice. It is 1959. Olds 98. Nice. That's a big dog. That one, you gangsta. Love the baby moons. My 65 Chevy Impala had baby moons on mine. That's a fun vehicle to ride right there. With the bench seat, whole 9 yards. There's a little paint, a little love and care. Who cares? It's a gangster car, low rider. So we'll end up over here on this video. You can kind of tell how it. You can just see there's so many. Oh yeah, I think this is another Etzel. That's the way it looks. I'm gonna go use a Nelly over there real quick. So another Etzel, I believe. Yep. I think it's cool. I'd buy that. I mean, it'd be fun. What year is it? 58. I don't know how many years they was it 1 or 2? I don't know. So nice. Me think it might be a 63, 52. What it is? It's. Didn't say. I don't know. It's an SS. Yeah, it's getting down to red, so. Yeah, LSS. Look at that bad boy. Because usually sometimes on the back it will tell you right there. It'll tell you right there. So. California. Nice Impala SS. So what a way to end the video on a nice vehicle, huh? So here's another one over here, real quick. Not bad. Look at those lights. So anyways, guys.